success video. So first, you just cut a line in the Play-Doh. So there you go. In both of your Play-Doh sets. Then you flatten your Play-Doh. In your other one, too. And then grab your doll.
I'm gonna have to do it.
Now you just grab it, pull it around to the other side. Squeeze your doll with Play-Doh. Now you grab your other piece. Like that. You cut it a little bit. Going back. Going around. And then you're almost done in Magical Wedding Doll. And there you go. Your wedding Magical Doll is all done.